Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with another video, and in today's video we are featuring Cheetah Beauty. Big shout out to Cheetah Beauty for sponsoring today's video. So let's jump into this look. So unfortunately, I thought I was recording the beginning of this install and I was not. I am so upset. Nonetheless, we're going to just jump right into the video, starting with the lace already adhered. So that's when I realized that I was not recording. So that's when I finally hit record. This is a 13x6 deep wave lace frontal wig. She's 180 density and I have her in 26 inches. You can get this wig all the way up to 30 inches. So this is an ombre style wig, and this is a tri-ombre because if you look really close, the roots are actually black. So it goes from black to a dark brown to a beautiful blonde. They do refer to this as the Beyonce wig, and I can see why. I'm going to show you quite a few ways to wear this. I'm going to wand the entire wig. I love the way that came out. Love it. I also show you an updo, and then I show you what this hair looks like in the actual deep wave texture. I wet it down and I added products. You get to see the full length at the ends of the video. I will include timestamps of the different styles. I will have that linked in the comment section. So this is a 13x6, so you can get a super deep part, and I love the way that looks. The part goes all the way to the back. You have enough lace to do a deep side part as well, and I show you the parting space because I like that they did that. When you wet this hair down, it does look a little thinner, but you still can't see any wefts or any tracks. I show you a 360 of the wig, and everything is concealed, and the wig was constructed nicely. So for the inside construction, there are 4 combs inside. You have 3 towards the frontal, where the frontal meets the actual wig cap, and then you have 1 in the very nape of the wig. You also have adjustable straps inside of the wig, and they provide you with an adjustable elastic band, which can be taken out if you don't need it. This is a medium cap size, and the wig fit perfect. I was able to put this up in a high ponytail. So all the details will be down in the description box. I forgot to mention that I did lift the knots once I received this. I lifted the knots and I tweezed the hairline. Hairline was pretty full, so I do suggest you go in and tweeze it if you purchase this wig. The details will be in the description box. Big shout out to Cheetah Beauty for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to y'all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Kept the call radio open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little badina. We stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. Ah, babe, you know me, and you knew me back then. And you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know, dirtied up a couple on the north side. Text you but I know you probably cross-eyed. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby, hold tight. I just touched the city with the Jeep blood stainers, and we got adopted by some fifth ward strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you in on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Y'all know what the Vegas? Now we in Houston. Definitely going down.
This might be new to this thing might feel new to, but if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby. This might be new to this thing might feel new to, but if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby. Yeah. Bet a billion that you gon' like this, 'cause you never had a wild one like that. Don't really do one night shit, 'cause one night make them want a whole life. And you know I left my old lover in crisis, 'cause a new girl is hella uptight. And God broke the mold when he made my type. You got the same vibe, that's what I like. Yeah, it's all about me and talk about me and look at my pics all day. You always say please when I got to leave and say it ain't need to stay. They focus on T, I'm all that he needs and don't ever play no game. I love when you say my name. This might be news to you, this thing might feel new to you, but if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby. This might be news to you, this thing might feel new to you, but if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby.
I don't love you, but you know I fuck with you. I think I wanna fly you to Peru from Malibu. I wish I had you to myself. I like your attitude, you too fly. She been talking to her friends, talking about the new guy. Talking about the money that I'm spending. I got vision, so you winning. Body fine, need a mitten. If I fuck up, then forgiven. I was dead on relationships, you made me feel like living. I'ma stand on a business, 'cause I got multi-million plans for us all to survive. All I need for you to do is never fold and don't lie. I felt like you was the one when I had looked in your eyes. Open the door, she seen a ghost, and we should go take a ride. Doing the most, don't never post, don't let them see what we got. We're on the boat, enjoy the coast, she let me get right inside. This shit new to me, I never show nobody this side.
Been testing the patience, don't you keep me waiting. Energy, chemistry, you and me can't be made up, has been cultivated. I'm yours for the taking.